In just 3 months, this YouTube channel racked up over 2.2 million views with their very first video. And guess what? It's a captivating kids story that probably took less than 15 minutes to make. But that's not all. They also amassed a whopping 50,000 subscribers in the blink of an eye. Can you believe it? 50,000 subscribers in just 3 months from launch. Now that's what I call a jaw-dropping success story. Here is another channel for kids with over 2.3 million subscribers. According to Social Blade, this channel is making over $26,000 every month. So it is clear that this is really a money-spinning niche. Parents really like channels like these because their kids enjoy watching the entertaining story videos. The people who make these channels are making lots of money because the videos are easy to create and get millions of views, earning them hundreds of dollars every day. The good news is, you don't need to be a tech expert. Even if you're new, you can make your very first video in less than 15 minutes after watching this explanatory video. In this video, I'll teach you how to use AI tools to write cool stories for kids and make money from them. I'll focus on easy steps and tools to help you make your first video in under 15 minutes. And at the end of this video, we can watch this new video we would be making together. Let us begin. Okay, let's break down the steps for creating kids' story video like this. 1. Write out a fun story. 2. Get the right voiceover to tell the story. 3. Generate interesting images that suit the story. 4. Turn these images into animated moving videos. 5. Combine all the videos and voiceovers into one final video with captions. Keep in mind, we can do all these tasks quickly and effortlessly with the help of AI tools. Let's begin by crafting an engaging story for children. To do this, we'll use our first AI tool, ChatGPT. Open up ChatGPT and give it a prompt. For this video, I will ask Chat to create an exciting story about a young shepherd boy who enjoys looking after sheep. I also like to give ChatGPT some extra prompt hints to ensure the story it comes up with is perfect for kids. For instance, let's ask ChatGPT to use easy words and keep the story short, under 1,000 letters. And let the story to teach a good lesson. Since it's for kids, it shouldn't be too long, and simple words are good. Parents like stories that are fun and teach kids a lesson. After typing all the commands, we hit enter. And just like that, our script is ready. Now think of a good title for your story. You can read it and think of a title yourself. Or right after ChatGPT makes your story, you can ask it for the best title. ChatGPT will provide one for you to use directly. You can as well tweak it a little. Remember, another awesome AI tool you can use to make stories is called Simplified. I have included a link in the description in case you also want to give that a try too. So now, we have our kid's story ready in just a few minutes. Next, we need to make a voiceover, and for that, we'll use 11 Labs. You can find the link below in the description. 11 Labs is a cool tool that helps turn words into speech. You can choose from different options like language or gender. You can also select preferred accents and reading speed. Now let's use 11 Labs to add voice to our ChatGPT story. First, copy the story from ChatGPT. Then go to 11 Labs. If it's your first time, you would need to sign up or just use your Google account. You'll see a window where you can paste your story. You'll also see different voice options with different names. Try them out and pick the one you think is best for your story or for future stories. For this video, let's choose Glinda's voice. Paste your story, choose the right settings, and click Generate. Your voiceover will be ready to download and use in just a few seconds. Now we have our story and voiceover ready. We can now move on to the third step, generating AI images for our kid's story. For this part, we'll use Midjourney to make pictures for our story. There are other tools like Leonardo.ai, but for this video, we'll use Midjourney. You can find the link in the video description below. To use Midjourney, you'll need a Discord account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. Then, click the Midjourney link in the description below. Click Join the Beta to get an invitation to join the Midjourney channel on Discord. Once you're there, join one of the Midjourney newbie groups, and you're ready to start using Midjourney. To make images with Midjourney AI tool, you start by giving it the right instructions or prompt. These instructions tell the tool what pictures to generate. Make sure to begin your prompt with /imagine, then select this. Our ChatGPT story was about a young shepherd boy who loves sheep. So we need pictures of a boy with sheep. You can read the story to think of more instructions or image prompts for the different parts of your story. Another way to get image prompts is to ask ChatGPT to make them for you. Then you can use these instructions with Midjourney to make images. Just paste your story into ChatGPT and ask it to generate image prompts for each part of the story. Copy these prompts. Then, we can use each one to make a picture for that part of the story. Now that we have our instructions or image prompts, we need to use each one to generate images with Midjourney, then download and save them. Don't worry about losing the images to countless chats in the Midjourney group. You can always find your images easily under My Images or Archive in Midjourney. Now we have all the images we need for our story. Next, we go to the fourth step, where we create short animated 3D videos using the images we made. To do this, we'll use another simple AI tool called Runway ML. You can find a link in the description. Head over to Runway ML and sign up for a new free account, or click on Sign Up with an Apple or Google account. Once you finish the verification, you'll reach the home page. Scroll down to find the image to video option, or check out the options on the left panel. Click on Generate Video, and then try Gen 2. Now, upload the first image you made with Midjourney. Once it's uploaded, click on Generate. This will change the image into a 4-second 3D animation video. Here is the video. When it's finished, download the new animated video. Follow these steps for all the images you made for your story. By the end, you'll have all your animated videos ready for the last step. The final step is when we put the animated videos and voiceover together and make adjustments to get the final amazing kids story video. For this, we'll use an AI tool called CapCut. I've included a link in the description. CapCut is a user-friendly online video editing tool that simplifies the process of merging all video components to produce a fantastic video. Click on the link in the description to create a new account. Start by clicking on New Project. After that, upload all your video elements, which include the animated videos from Runway ML and the voiceover from 11 Labs. Then, drag the voiceover to the timeline below and arrange the animated videos in the correct order just above it. CapCut offers a variety of transition effects to add flair between each video segment. Don't hesitate to experiment with different options to find the perfect fit for your video. Additionally, CapCut provides the option to seamlessly incorporate captions or subtitles into your video, enhancing its accessibility and engagement. To include captions, simply navigate to the text menu on the top menu bar and choose Auto Captions. Feel free to explore various styles for your captions to find the perfect match for your video. Lastly, enhance your video by adding background music that complements your story. Access the CapCut audio library for a selection of free royalty music. Choose a track you like and add it to the timeline, just beneath the voiceover. Once you've completed these steps, your video is ready to go. Allow CapCut a few moments to render and blend all video components, and then you can export the final product. Your finished video is all set to be uploaded to your channel. Now that our video is ready, let's watch it together.
Once upon a time in a quaint village, there lived a young shepherd named Jack. Jack had a deep love for sheep and spent all his days grazing them in the lush green fields. One day, he noticed a peculiar behavior in one of his sheep named Daisy. She was always wandering off on her own, away from the rest of the flock. Curious about Daisy's behavior, Jack decided to follow her one day. He was surprised to see her leading him to a hidden meadow filled with blooming flowers and fresh water. Jack realized that Daisy was trying to show him a better place for the flock to graze. Impressed by Daisy's intelligence and compassion, Jack learned an important lesson that day. He understood the value of listening to others, even if they are different or smaller than you. he realized that everyone, no matter how young or insignificant, has something important to contribute. Jack shared the hidden meadow with the rest of his flock, and they all enjoyed the new grazing grounds. The village people were amazed by the change in the sheep's behavior and praised Jack for his open-mindedness and willingness to learn from a sheep. The moral of this story is that we should always be open to new ideas and perspectives, no matter where they come from. Sometimes, the most valuable lessons can come from the most unexpected sources.
As you can see, making this video was quite simple and straightforward, and it came out great. Just be sure to follow these steps we laid out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments section. Also, share your experience making your first video or share with us your favorite AI tools. Thanks very much for watching, and remember to like and share this video. Also, subscribe to this channel for more free videos on becoming a money-making YouTube pro.